I'm Jonathan from Hioki. Thank you for using our RM2610. In this video, I'll introduce Hioki's new maintenance tool, the RM9006. It makes daily inspection easy and accurate. By using this tool in your daily inspection, you can help prevent instances of not being able to measure and reduce repair costs and waiting time for those repairs. So, have you ever found yourself unable to measure at all in a day, being stopped at the pre-measurement open short inspection? The reason for this is that composite material gets stuck between the probe pins with repeated measurement. This leads to the probe not working properly. This is the open check fail. In order to keep this from happening, it's important to clean the probe pins with air every day after measuring. Doing this helps prevent time of you not being able to measure and reduces the repair costs and waiting time for the repairs. However, the probe pins are so small that you can't see for sure with the naked eye if it's actually clean. Particulates from your composite may have slowly accumulated over many days, even though you've cleaned after using. This maintenance tool, RM9006, allows you to see the magnified probe while cleaning it with air. Further, it allows you to blow air from 8 directions to make sure you can blow on the right spot. It's easy to use. You simply attach the maintenance tool, RM9006, to the test fixture, RM9004, and a computer. Please take a look at it at work. This maintenance tool, the RM9006, also comes with a hand blower and a cleaning sheet. One thing to remember about the cleaning sheet is that you should use it sparingly, only when the probe oxidation causes bad contact, since it will eventually wear out the pins like repeatedly sharpening a thin knife. Also, because of this, please avoid using the cleaning sheet on a brand new probe. This maintenance tool, RM9006, is sold as an accessory of the RM2610 system. Please consider purchasing with or after your RM2610. Thank you.